Steph, I ain't gon' lie, you with us on this, boy.
Let's get it. Ain't wanna listen, they call me a menace. Ain't understand me until I got bigger.
Ran through the storm, I was trying to get with ya. Always just wanted to be in the picture. Ain't wanna listen, they call me a menace. Ain't understand me until I got bigger. Want inspiration, I look in the mirror. You a goofy, how you claim you a killer? Family taught me never care for the system. They'll block you before you get to the center. Daydreaming, never open my eyes. Got a talent, I could peep out alive. Steady grinding, I'ma get to the.
And welcome back to another episode of Never Settle Garage. Today, we are working on this. My Infiniti G35 drift car that I just finished painting. Turned out pretty good for the first time ever painting a car. As you can see, I painted the wheels too. But that's okay, because we have more wheels. Finally be able to put them on. And I added a little Naruto sticker on there, on each spoke. So, that's what we're doing today. We're out here, gonna put some fucking wheels on the car. Finally got my tires. Took forever, but shout out to Tire Streets for hooking me up with some tires. Finally got them in stock. And the wheels are Advans, they're 18s. They should sit pretty flush, we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a time lapse on and go ahead and get started. Okay, I finished. Also, hello, my buddy is here.
This thing looks like ass. I'm just kidding. No, it looks pretty good with these wheels on.
It does look okay. I need the center caps though. His wife has to finish my center caps. And
I feel like the center cap would be too much.
I don't. We're gonna throw resin over them so they'll be a glossy and it'll make the red darker.
It's way too much.
I don't think it will be. I think it'll look good.
Do they even know it's on your center cap?
No. They'll find out when we get center caps.
Too much.
Don't listen to me.
The front fitment's decent. The rears definitely need to come out more though. Not too bad. I'll take it. It's better than what we had on it.
What size is your... Your hub? What's the wheel spec?
On these? 18 by 9.5 plus 30.
No, not the wheels, your hub. Like your actual fucking...
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
You can just use my fucking spacers if you really wanted to.
Oh, that's true. You do have spacers.
Yeah, I still have those other two. I don't know if they'll fit though.
I don't know either. I don't know what my hub...
Because those are 115 by...
Oh, then no. These are 5 by 114.
You're fucking...
My bolt pattern is different.
Your bolt pattern's different. You're fucking...
I don't know. I think it looks sick. But that's okay if nobody else does, because guess what? It's not their fucking car. It's my car, and I'm gonna do what I want.
What are you doing something today? What's going on?
I'm going home.
You going home?
Yeah.
Why?
I was coming out here to put wheels on, and then I actually went to do a podcast, nobody replied, so I'm going home. I already made plans to hang out with Jamie and watch a movie.
Oh, so cute. So you're telling me I came out here for no reason?
I didn't think you were gonna take that long.
I didn't think Starbucks was going to take that long.
It's Starbucks.
Well, whatever.
I don't know, dude.
Waste no fucking time, I guess.
You got to cruise around in the rain.
Like I like that. It's fully tinted. That's no fun.
It's a great time.
It's not a great time.
At least you have defrost.
No, I don't.
Oh, that's right. You don't
yeah,
either.
I have no AC in that bitch. Dumbass.
Yeah, me neither. We're just two peas in a fucking pot out here, fogging up our windows.
I have to like crack the window.
Me too.
Like not get sprayed.
Yeah, me too. It gets hot as fuck when you have to have the windows up. Especially in a seat that hugs you.
Oh, yeah. thought we were gonna do some shit today. And now it's now 1:30 in the afternoon.
Nobody else replied. Nobody else wants to do anything. I wanted to shoot a podcast either today or tomorrow, but I'm gonna pack up and go home and cuddle. And then get fucking KFC later, because that's what she decided she wanted randomly. I like their mashed potatoes and gravy.
Gross, dude.
Mashed potatoes and gravy?
Fucking gross, dude.
The mashed.
Get KFC over Popeyes, bro?
No, I don't. She wants KFC. I'll eat it.
That's wild.
But their mashed potatoes and gravy is fire.
Insane, bro. I can't believe you just said that.
Can't believe it just done that.
I can't believe you said that.
It'll be okay.
It's fucking insane, dude, what it is.
Yeah, so this was a short little install video on wheels. I'm gonna get more pictures and stuff like that when it's not monsooning outside. When they're trying to flood my ship.
Yeah, we should do pictures.
We do need to do pictures.
You should only take side pictures and back pictures
Back
of
pictures.
my card.
Yeah. She looks good.
Yeah, she looks good from this angle.
Yep, that's great.
No other angle.
No idea.
No. You don't have to walk out there.
I'm not walking over there.
It's okay. Just stay right there.
Enjoy it from here. Just don't look too close on my paint either.
Man, it's fine. That's the thing.
You know.
I didn't think it was gonna turn out.
I didn't think it was gonna turn out. Malibu.
No, we do that in striking.
I still have 2 more of these stickers, but I don't know if I want to put them on the car or not.
Yeah, definitely don't do it now. Turn it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it now. I don't know why I put those on, but I really want to see what they look like on the wheels.
We're gonna see what they look like on the pavement in about 5 minutes.
Shh, probably. It'll be okay.
What do you mean it's gonna be? This one's already peeling, dude.
Stop it.
I just tried to stick it back on. It's already coming off.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
Fly up as soon as you fucking hit it.
It's okay. Just stay there.
That's literally what I just did.
Stay.
It's not gonna
Just stay. Just
It's
fucking.
not gonna
Just
stay.
lick, stick, stay.
It's already peeling again.
Shut up.
It's not my fault. You're stupid, bro.
It's fine. I have extras. Well, I didn't think those stickers were gonna be as thick as they were, but they were like that cardstock sticker.
Well, yeah, that's what
I thought they were gonna be regular like vinyl stickers. But I mean, whatever.
It's like a fucking.
It's a slap sticker.
Yeah, exactly. It's not gonna be.
They don't cost much.
Exactly.
Shout out to Severe Sky for those. If you don't, go follow him on Instagram because he's a badass and makes cool stickers. But that's it for this one. Say bye to our people.
Later, dude.
Like, comment, subscribe. Go follow the Instagram and the TikTok. I'll post more on TikTok probably here soon. Other than that, see you later.